Benchmark, Southwest Transit. The final team members will consist of Natalie, Elizabeth, Susan, and Caitlin. The final 4 team members were not difficult to select from the original 6 team members chosen. Although Michael and William were fine candidates, the attitudes and abilities of these final 4 members were superior to the strengths Michael or William have. Although the final 4 members have many strengths and limited weaknesses, there are primary reasons that they were selected from the original 6 members chosen. The primary reason for selecting Natalie is that she is motivated by challenges and enjoys doing great work. The primary reason for selecting Elizabeth is that she is non-threatening and maintains high-quality work while meeting deadlines. The primary reason for selecting Susan is that she is creative and gets quality work done. The primary reason for selecting Caitlin is that she can take criticism and produces impeccable work under pressure. The decision to select these final 4 members was based on 2 main criteria: attitudes and abilities. Time is of the essence, so workplace drama will not have any place on this team. Aside from proper attitudes, the ability to get a quality job done in a timely manner is paramount. This final team has both the right attitude and the ability to succeed. The primary strengths of this team is the ability to unite and face a challenging task with a positive attitude and deliver quality work in a timely manner. And although no team is without some weaknesses, the strengths this final team possesses far outweigh the impact the weaknesses may or may not have. Equity theory will create fairness throughout the team via evaluation, perception, comparison, and pursuance of the project. Upon exercising this theory, the team will progress to ERG, allowing for multiple motivational needs throughout the team, as ERG allows for the coexistence of multiple team needs. Lastly, goal setting will be utilized for all participants to take ownership of individual and team goals to provide a framework for execution and controlling for timeliness. Goal setting theory used to motivate can also be used to resolve communication, productivity, and performance conflicts. Job enrichment provides autonomy for planning and controlling their own performance. Empowerment gives employees the power and authority to make decisions, recognize and solve problems, and look beyond their job descriptions to successfully accomplish their tasks. This is a critical task, and by giving a team the freedom to manage their own ideas, time, and workload, we are making them feel trustworthy. It is essential to let the team express their ideas, listen to each other, be respectful, and make decisions. In this team, ineffective strategies will be job design and job enlargement. Job rotation and adding more things to the task will slow down everyone, and their focus and motivation will be lost. Leadership that is servant-oriented focuses on empowering and uplifting employees, serving instead of imposing authority, showing humility in the place of displaying authority, and constantly looking to enhance the development of their employees in a way that unlocks their potential, creativity, and sense of purpose. Organizational behavior in tandem with ethical and servant leadership will provide the team with clear direction, well-defined goals, trust in fellow teammates and leadership, ethical behavior, and servant actions. Leadership that has an effective communication structure will ensure that proper practices and methods are in place to build a foundation that can handle conflict. The team selected embodies the values of conscious capitalism. All 4 members demand quality work from themselves, embrace challenges, and have leadership ability and experience, which is consistent with the pillar of higher purpose. The team selected can also focus on the pillars of stakeholder orientation, conscious leadership, and conscious culture by remaining positive, non-threatening, and working well with others, building relationships with coworkers, and helping to ensure the company is successful with the marketing strategy is paramount. The success of this project is crucial for the future of the company and the hundreds of employees who risk being laid off. The team selected has a huge responsibility, and they are taking that on without extra pay, but instead for the benefit of employees they may or may not know. The characteristic of selflessness is why these specific team members were chosen. They have the knowledge and ability to successfully accomplish the task that is in front of them, but their selflessness to do so for the benefit of others is ultimately why these team members were chosen. The 10,000 employees benefit from this team successfully creating a marketing strategy that boosts sales. The hundreds of employees that risk being laid off benefit. The employees benefit by being able to remain at a company that provides an employee-centered culture. The customers benefit from the continued existence of Southwest Transit, who is a customer-focused airline. The customer benefits from the continued affordable flights being offered and can look forward to the new Boeing 747 airplane. The vendors benefit by having a customer in Southwest Transit to sell or provide services to. This then benefits the vendors' businesses, which ultimately benefit their employees and their communities. The community benefits by having a large employer in the area that provides jobs to its citizens. The company and employee taxes support the infrastructure of the community. The shareholder benefits by having a company that has satisfied employees and loyal customers, as this will drive up revenue and the stock price, which ultimately pays a dividend to the shareholder. By developing a successful marketing strategy to boost sales, the team members will help the company survive and thrive, ultimately helping hundreds of employees keep their jobs. The marketing campaign will result in a boost in sales and customer loyalty, providing the airline with the growth and stability needed to address staffing concerns. The team will set an example to other employees of how acting with a higher purpose is the right thing to do, so everyone wins. Employee morale will increase based on the example of what can be accomplished when they work together as a team. The team will create precedents with leadership that, given the opportunity to focus knowledge and abilities in less areas and not spreading employees too thin, will result in more successful accomplishments on an ongoing basis by being proactive and not reactive.